So you're thinking about using Samcart, but you don't know if it's the right tool for you. My name is Marcus, and in this video, I'm going to review Samcart. I'm going to talk to you about the things that I like and don't like about it. Then I'm going to also review pricing plans, pros and cons, and also the features. I'm going to show you also how we can customize Samcart. But right before we're going to jump into the review, I have a proposal for you. There is going to be an affiliate link down below in the description. And if you're going to use Samcart, if you decided, okay, I'm in, I want to use Samcart, you can easily click on it. And when you're going to create your sales page, just send me your sales page, send me your checkout page, and I'm going to give you feedback like, okay, how we can improve, how we can make it better to sell even more, and also what kind of marketing strategy you can use. So completely for free, this is a win-win situation. You use my affiliate link, I give you feedback on your sales page, and we both grow. So let's start and let's jump into the Samcart review. So how I use Samcart and what I like and don't like about it. That's the start. I use Samcart for YouTube courses and also marketing courses. Samcart is amazing only because I can have simple checkout page like this. This is just example in which I have a predefined what I'm going to add there. And then I just post it, let's say on TikTok. So I post videos on TikTok, right? And I have there my course, which is not expensive, only because the TikTok is completely different market comparing to YouTube. And I have like for $19, $29 course. And it's what is really great, it's a paying lead already. So it's not like a free webinar lead, whatever. It's a paying lead that I can use in the future. And then I got it directly connected with ConvertKit. And therefore it works like flawlessly with me. And what I like about it is that how simple it is. But there are the things that I don't really like about it is when you're gonna come to checkout design, I would prefer if the Samcart, they got a lot of really great designs. You can design it by yourself, but if they would like got even more designs, that's something that I would really prefer when they are got the revenue, just hire the 5 designers for a month and let them design like more pages, more templates, because you can then easily sell those templates for people. So that's something that I would prefer. That's what I don't like about it. It's just one thing. Now come here to pricing plans. Now what I like and don't like about pricing plans. Pricing plans, you can have the monthly and annual plan. The launch is also pretty great, $59 a month. That's like okay, but I would recommend Samcart for everyone. For if you want to actually use it for that you know that you're going to have the audience. Like there are a lot of like free versions if you're just starting out with something, and if you don't know how you're gonna attract the audience, like I don't know if the Samcart is right for you. If you know that okay, I'm going to, let's say I'm a lawyer and I want to have a course for lawyers, and I know what kind of videos, what kind of articles I can write, so I'll just use Samcart, and I don't mind paying in the beginning because when I'm going to prepare it, I'm going to do it forever. But when you come here to annual plan, even for annual plan, which is going to be what? There's like what, $400, something like that. Yeah, $468 that you will have per year, and you can have everything there from checkout pages, then also for sales funnels, and like even the launch version is going to be enough. But of course, if you want and need order bump collection, post-purchase upsells, the checkout page of Samcart is a top-notch how we can customize it. And then, of course, in a $159 a month, you can have also the subscription saver, affiliate center, A/B testing, cart abundant conversion. Like these stuff are like mad good that you can use in Samcart. So that's pretty much about how it works, the annual monthly plan. It's a little bit expensive, but it's not that expensive comparing to Kajaba, to Kartra, and to other tools. But again, it's like all right. So pricing plans, all right. Maybe if they would have some grow things also in launch, that would be great. But you know, it is what it is. And for the price, I think it's definitely worth it. Only because before using Samcart, I was using Kajabi and it was too complex for me. So if you're looking to just build a simple checkout page, simple sales page, and you want to have a course there, you want to focus on a sales perspective, it's going to be perfect for you. if you don't want to have webinars, if you don't want to have like all the stuff, like Samcart is going to be top notch. And now when we go further, that's like about it. I'm going to talk to you about the cons and pros about Samcart. So pros, it's a really great cart page builder, one-click upsells, abandoned cart and order bumps features, range of integrations with email marketing tools like ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, ConvertKit, cheaper than ClickFunnels. That's like also really great. Wide range of optimized checkout pages, and I will show you how to use those. And cons of Samcart. So they have this like no marketing automation features, so they don't have a lot of automations in Samcart. Analytics are not hugely detailed, and templates, I could like it would be great if they would have more templates in Samcart. And then the jump here between the grow and scale is a little bit higher. So that's another like a little bit of cons that I wrote. But other than that, it's a perfect. And now what about the design? So you come here to dashboard, you're gonna have your product, and how it works that you have a product and you have a course is connected to the product is a sales page, like all the upsells, everything there you're gonna have here in Samcart. And then I can easily come here and I can have agency. I can have this sales page. So I already created design here. So when I come here and I can choose this one, the authority. So I will go back here and I will check out design. Let's say I'm going to choose authority. I don't think that it's going to be straight away seen. I can click design here. Yeah, we can see it. So right now you see that the science of success, what researchers know that you should know. You can easily change that. Then you're gonna explore the science and research behind the inward success. And then what you will learn. And right now I can have money back guarantee, satisfaction 100% guarantee. And voila, it's perfect. So you see total 50 euro. And then if you're gonna use the bumps, all of that you can apply here. You can easily connect it to your domain, and on the right side you can easily add a headline. I can add a divider, I can add an image, a video even. All of that you can use. Countdown. Then I can have a progress bar, guarantee, testimonials even. And all that you can use. And my camera just went off. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. But that's pretty much it. And that's how we can use the Samcart affiliate program. And Samcart, I just read affiliate there. Samcart custom pages. It's simple, it's straightforward, and I definitely recommend it. Now, as I mentioned, if you're gonna use the link down below in the description, that's the affiliate link with the Samcart, you can then easily message me with your finished product, and I'm going to give you feedback on what you can do about it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.